Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Upma using Little Millets. In English, it is known as Little Millets, and Kannada it is called Saamai, and Tamil it is known as Saamai. Little millets are fibrous millets and has 37 to 38% of dietary fiber, which is the highest among cereals, and it has high in fats, which comprises of healthy polyunsaturated fatty acids. It plays an important role in improving immunity system. Although it is high in protein, mainly it detoxifies the body. With Little Millet, you can prepare Kheer, Upma, Pongal, Paniyaram, like this so many varieties you can prepare. Now, before going to the recipe, please all of you subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all. Required ingredients for Little Millet Upma. We need mustard 1 spoon, urud dal 2 spoons, chana dal 2 spoons, groundnut 2 to 3 spoons, sprouts as you like, onion 2, green chilies 3 to 4, curry leaves little. With these ingredients, we have to add 1 cup of Little Millet also. First, we have to clean the Little Millet and soak it in water for 1 hour. Then, boil 2 cups of water in a thick based vessel and add Little Millets to the boiling water. Then, add required salt in it. Then close with the lid and boil it for 7 to 8 minutes approximately. Now check whether it is boiled or not. If it is okay, you keep it for some time to cool. Now mix it well and see that there are no lumps. Now in a kadai, add 4 spoons of oil and season with mustard. Then add groundnut, chana dal, urud dal, then onion, green chilies, and curry leaves one by one. If you need more oil, you can add 2 more spoons of oil now. Fry these items for some time. Now I am adding sprouts, boiled sprouts also. It is optional. You have to add 1/4 spoon of bisibelabath powder or wangibath powder or biryani powder. In this, any one of the powder, little you have to add for the flavor for your upma. Now add cooked millet in it and mix it well. Now add little salt to your taste. Now we can add little coriander leaves also in it. At last, add 2 spoons of ghee in it and mix it well. Now tasty and healthy millet upma is ready. As millets have more nutrients, antioxidants and proteins, we can use it instead of wheat, rice or rava. We can prepare items like dosa, idli, upma, roti with millets also, and it will be tasty also. I suggest all of you please try it at home and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you all.